Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the Accessibility section, and then TalkBack. Here you have to enable this service. After you tap Allow, the TalkBack tutorial will begin, and it starts reading.
Double tap to activate.
And that's how it's done. So
TalkBack. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
So if you want to just activate something in this mode, you just have to double tap it, but firstly you have to select it.
Use service on switch. Use service. Stop TalkBack.
Yes, please stop.
Button. TalkBack off.
And that's how you can turn off this service. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.